Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ClickUp items into Airtable for reporting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update ClickUp items into Airtable for reporting, first, open your ClickUp workspace. Locate the specific tasks or items you want to update. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access and modify these items. Next, open Airtable in a separate tab or window. In Airtable, create a base or open an existing base where you want to import the ClickUp items. Make sure that your Airtable base has the appropriate fields that correspond to those in ClickUp. Now, return to ClickUp and click on the items you want to link to Airtable. Copy the relevant details of each item, such as task name, status, and due date. Switch back to Airtable and navigate to the appropriate table within your base. In the empty row, paste the copied details into the corresponding fields. If using a large number of items, consider exporting from ClickUp as a CSV file. Once exported, return to Airtable and click on the plus icon to add records from your CSV. Follow the prompts to upload your CSV file into the desired table. Map the fields from the CSV to the corresponding fields in your Airtable base during the import process. Review the imported data to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once everything looks correct, hit the Finish Import button to complete the process. Your ClickUp items should now be updated in Airtable for reporting purposes. For ongoing synchronization, consider using automation tools like Zapier or Integromat. Set up a schedule for updates to ensure your Airtable stays current with ClickUp data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.